In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change your tire on a Tesla Model Y. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. This is the sort of repair that you can do by yourself. So, changing a tire requires some specific tools and procedure. It is different from a conventional gasoline-powered car, however, it is still very doable. So, the tools that you are going to need are going to be a car jack kit, and these ones here are designed for the Tesla Model Y, Model 3, S, X, and so on. So I highly recommend that you acquire one of these that can easily go under your Tesla Model Y. And then some of these heavy-duty torque wrenches. They will be used to remove some of the screws or parts on the wheel itself. So after you acquire both of these, park the car on a flat, stable surface. Engage the parking brake, and now you will remove any sort of wheel cover that you might have. You will need a lug nut wrench or breaker bar, a torque wrench to tighten the lug nuts to the correct specification, the new tire, and the jack pad. So, like I said before, to start, remove these lug nuts. So after they are loosened, you will be able to remove them. While they are loose, locate the area where you have the insertion hole for the jack. So there are going to be jack points on the vehicle's undersides. These are reinforced areas specifically designed for lifting. So you place the car jack puck, as you can see here, or the pad on that hole. And once it goes inside, you can fit the rest of the car jack kit underneath and push the pad or the puck up. Use the correct tool that is sent with the kit and the car will be lifted. And then, like I said before, you can remove the lug nuts. With the lug nuts removed, you can now insert the new tire in place of the old one. Then you do the exact same process but in reverse. So you will screw and place the lug nuts in. So you reinstall the wheel cap or the lug nut covers, check the tire pressure, and you do this using your torque wrench. So tighten the lug nuts in a criss-cross star pattern to the manufacturer's specified torque. For the Model Y, it should be 175 Nm or 129 lbs. So I hope I was able to help you on changing the tire. If this video was of help, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.